Hello guys, this is day 21 and welcome back to my channel. As you know, here we talk about some English and here I am showing my English journey. So welcome back to another video. And today actually is Saturday and honestly I haven't do anything or I haven't worked on my English communication, but on a on a regular basis I do something to improve my communication, but unfortunately today I haven't do anything. But yeah, definitely I do one thing. I went for a Geeta classes like in nearby of my area. So by fourth night, I think मैं सही हूँ तो fourth night means हर 15 दिन बाद, like after 15 days, like first 15 ऐसा करके there is classes, Geeta classes going on like nearby my area. So today I went there and today is the second day of the that class. मतलब कि like in a Gita we have 18 chapters. So today is the chapter 1 second class. So I went there and I'm not saying like I learned lot of things, but yeah, some of the things are very genuine and very you know very educative. So I want to share one thing on that topic. So I think particular shloka number 3 or 4, so that talk about the planning, view rachna, strategy about पांडवाज सेना, जो अपना सेना पांडवों ने जगह जगह लगाई थी. सो एट द जो अपने नैरेटिव थे, जो लाइक द कथावाचक और द पर्सन हु नैरेट द भगवद गीता लाइक गुरु जी. सो ही सेड ऑन अ वेरी पर्टिकुलर वे, इफ we want to achieve something, if we want to learn something, so your planning should be very good. Suppose the Duryodhana has a 11 Akshi Sena and Kauravas has 11 Akshi Sena, I forget the name, and Pandavas have 7 Akshi Sena. So it means like Pandavas has more Sena than Kaurav has more Sena than Pandavas, but Pandavas managed that resource, managed that Sena in a very good way, जिससे कि दुर्योधन was very afraid कि oh my god, like it's look like a very huge Sena. So so that's particular thing about planning. Suppose if we have very limited source, and they gave one example about the government offices and the private offices. Suppose in a government office there are hundreds of employees, and in a private office there are maybe 20 or 25 employees, and government office has 100 employees, but the output is much better, much quicker of a private organization, because the private organization use their resources very wisely and very very in a very effective way. I'm not saying like the government person are not doing job, but the uses of the resources is main thing. This comes in planning, how you plan. So one thing I learn, actually गीता का नाम ही वो है कि आप जब भी गीता क्लास लोगे या गीता सीखोगे तो you have learned something. So today I learned one thing, I have to plan, or like I मतलब मैं, I have to plan to my this English journey in a proper way. So immediately I write down that actually like what I do regularly. So suppose if I look, I'm making videos in this, so I need a new topic, something new on a every day, because you can't show every day like same thing. So I need new things. For that, suppose if I get any idea or if I see anything new, so I quickly write down on my mail. So there is a particular draft mail called structure or something. So मैं वहाँ पे तुरंत अपना आइडिया को नोट कर लेता हूँ. So today like I immediately write down the idea about planning, or for a planning maybe you can or I can I will take a help of chat GPT to make my plan for maybe 7 days or 300 sorry 30 days. I will try actually I know this video is going longer, so I'm stopped now, but if I remember, so tomorrow I will cover how we can plan something, or how we can plan to achieve something. Like we are working on a communication skill, so how we can achieve very effectively और बोर भी ना हो, so उसके लिए like I have plan, and honestly guys, this plan is perfectly working for me, and definitely I will share this plan in a near blog. So okay, आज के लिए इतना काफ़ी है, so bye bye. And the beauty of this video, I use editing tool only for the take output of this video, that's it. This is very prompt और सच्चे वीडियो है. So bye bye.